Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna make a balloon garland or a balloon arch with 24 royal blue, the 12-inch LASIK balloons, and then I'm gonna do 15 white, which I already have ready. And what you're also gonna need is the actual ribbon. Any color would be fine. I'm using blue because I already had it. I got this one from Walmart. I got the balloons from Dollar Tree. And as you can see here, I already have my balloons ready to go. I did them different sizes. Pretty much I did them all big because I did work on another project last time, and I did some really small, really big, and then when I wanted to put it all together, I wasted a lot of time. So this time I'm gonna go ahead and just do them the size that I prefer, which is a bigger size. This is the first step. The second step will be you're gonna cut the ribbon in little pieces. I will show you next. Okay, so here are the pieces of ribbon that I cut. I didn't measure them. I kind of just eyeballed it to see what was convenient for me. Whatever works for you, or if you want to measure them. I think they're about maybe 3 inches. That way I wouldn't have trouble tying them. If you'd like to make them smaller or bigger, it's completely up to you. The other step is that here I just did a knot on it, and then with these two sides I will be tying it to the long piece of ribbon that I'm going to use to hold all the balloons. I will show you that step next. Okay, so the next step is that I did a knot with what was rest of the first ribbon that I put around the balloon. I did a second knot on the actual ribbon that I'm gonna tie to the pole. That way you can kind of like make it longer, shorter, however you need it. So it's just one knot, that's all I did. And then I'm gonna keep doing all the balloons now till I get to the end of my arch. Okay, so here is 39 balloons, and they're all tied up already. They're ready to hang. Now the other step is once you hang them, you can move them around to however you like. I just put them all together like this for now. Once I have it hanging, I will show you how the ending product looks. Definitely, like I said, you just have to kind of eyeball when you measure the ribbon that you're gonna tie to it. And it's really nice because once you tie it, like on here, like you can like slip it. You can move it around, make it bigger. It's really easy to move, to work with. So it's about, I would say, maybe 6 feet long. And I did leave ribbon. That way I could work with it, spread it out or tying it or whatever works for me. Okay guys, so here is the ending product, and here is my balloon arch or my balloon garland. The backdrop is just white wrapping paper that I got at the Dollar Tree. The happy birthday sign is also from the Dollar Tree, and the two streamers, I just put them there because it had like you could see where the paper had the line, so I kind of just put that just so I can cover it. So there's your ending product. It's pretty simple to do. Just comment down below if you do it, or if you think it's easy to do, or whatever. Your comments are welcome.